what's causing it, and how do you fix it. Now first, what's happening is the cowl lining is supposed to be flushed with the windshield, similar to this, but there's some spots on the windshield where the cowl lining warps and lifts from the windshield, so you can see here. And so what happens is this causes cavitation as you're driving, and that cavitation causes vibration either on the lining or on the windshield itself, or both. Now to fix it, you have two choices. You can either buy a brand new cowl lining, which is going to cost you around $150, or you can purchase yourself one of these, a Scotch Super 33 Plus. Now, you don't want to use a regular electrical Scotch tape. You want to use this instead because it is rated for a higher temperature and also below freezing. So this is a much better product than a regular Scotch tape. Here we go. Another job well done. It only took me less than 1 minute to install and cost less than $5. Went ahead and drove it around the freeway, and the annoying humming sound is finally gone.